Hey everyone, this is Cutie Pie 88. Thanks for tuning in again. I'm coming to you guys with a review from Misse Hair. They are an Amazon seller and they wanted me to review 14, 16, 18 inches of their straight hair. This hair is very beautiful. And I also received a 12-inch closure. So here is the packaging, really nice. I'm loving this packaging. The hair is silky straight, and I did notice that there are not a lot of short strands in this hair in the bundles, which is good. It makes it very silky smooth, and the bundles are a nice size. So I did use Salon Care Prism Lights in the color Violet. This removes gold and yellow tones, and also 40 volume developer found at Sally's. As you can see, the knots bleach beautifully, and they are not bronze. So I'm just putting on the wig. Yes, I did make a closure wig out of it. I did make it myself. So they sent me bundles and I did make a wig, and this is how the wig looks. Like I said, 14, 16, 18 inches with a 12-inch closure. I am going ahead and laying down and smoothing out the closure with a little mousse and brushing it really hard. This mousse can be found at Dollar Tree. It is White Rain and it works very well. Just brushing it out and making it as flat as possible. Go ahead and define the part. Since you're flattening it out, you want to define the part where it's going to be and then continue flattening the closure. As you can see the tan cap through the lace. That's how well it bleached, but it's okay. I'll fix that later. I am going to go in and lightly pluck this closure, not too much, just so it doesn't have that blunt line. So I'm plucking behind the hairline in random spots. The violet bleach powder really helped get the brassiness, prevent brassiness in this closure. It worked really well, and it's about $3. So I'm cutting the closure in a zigzag fashion, and you guys, this is the best closure I've ever had, well, in a long time, because it matched my skin tone very well. It seems like it was more on the transparent side instead of the brown side, but it literally melted into my skin color. I have so much trouble finding lace that does this, and look at that. It is amazing. I didn't even have to add any powder. Amazing. Now, as you know, when you make units, you have like this tan little tab right there. When you make closure units, I'm just using a little bit of mascara to color that in. Sometimes it needs to be clipped, but other times it needs to stay there. So I just color it in with some mascara. So I'm going in and I'm rubbing some foundation, some cream foundation on my cap, only where the part is going to be, to help blend it. But as you can see, it's going to need some more because you can still see that line of where the cap stops. So I fix it off camera later. So this is how it's looking. I have done nothing to this unit, no products, nothing, and it's already falling in this beautiful bang on the side, heavy bang, and I'm loving it. I haven't even cut anything yet. So I'm going to go in with my steam straightener. I did get this from Amazon, and if you guys want to know how much it is, the link is down below. I did set up the 450 with the steam on. It does come with a detachable comb that I'll just slide in here. That way I don't have to use a chase method with a brush. It already has a comb attachment, and this is the water container so the steam can come out of the iron when you flat iron your hair. This is an amazing flat iron, and it works very well, and it eliminates the chase method, as I said. So I'm just going to use some Silk Essentials coconut heat protectant spray. Yes, this is weave, but you still want to protect it as much as possible from the heating tools, just so the hair lasts as long as possible. Like I said, I am using steam, so if you see the smoke, it's just the steam, which is just water. So I'm just going through straightening the pieces. At first I did want this unit straight, but later on you're going to see that I ended up curling the unit without the steam. So the hair is kind of shiny at the top just because of the mousse. The mousse still has not dried. but I'm just, you know, flat ironing it. It'll dry eventually, but just going through and straightening this unit. The hair is super flowy. I really feel like the steam really helps the hairs flow. Now, when you are using this flat iron, you want to remove the comb with a end of a rat tail comb or something, because it's really hot, so you don't want to touch it. So now I'm just going in with some scissors. Yes, this is like a pair of school scissors. Just going in with some scissors and cutting some light layers in the bangs. I really wanted heavy layers, heavy bangs. So I'm just going in, just cutting a little bit, very simple, beginner friendly, very self-explanatory. Just cut them, just slide cutting basically. And then going in and flipping the bangs to give that ultimate like full look. And I'm turning the steam off for this. I just want it to be straight heat, no steam. So I'm just going to take some Murray's beeswax. You can find this at any beauty supply store. And it's equivalent to a wax stick that you see ladies using. It's just a hold down flyaway. So I did put some of that on there and use my curling wand to flatten it even more. I am using some Midstone extender spray as well as the Midstone luster drops. If you haven't checked out Midstone line, it is awesome for your real hair and weave. And it's just like shine serum to just help smooth the hair without like weighing it down, just to make it be a little bit more smooth when not too much like product in it. So I'm showing you guys like the density of the wig. I think it's like 130 or 150. I think it's 130, and it's a natural density. You know, it's heavier on the bangs because I put the closure on the side. So as you can see, this is a finished result. You can definitely wear it like this. It is gorgeous, very silky smooth. Like I said, I noticed this hair has doesn't have very many short hairs in it, which is good. I did decide to go ahead and put some light curls in the unit, but this hair is amazing. It's very silky smooth. It did not have like a bad smell in it or anything, so definitely check it out. It is very affordable, guys. This hair was like well under $100, well under $80, well under $70. Definitely check this hair out. Like I said, 14, 16, 18th with a 12-inch closure. The link will be in the description box. So I'm just showing you guys the finished result. No, I don't have any makeup on or lashes, but I just wanted to show you guys the finished result. Just show you guys the wig really quick. This hair is amazing. I love it. Very silky soft. And I have noticed the curls do fall, so you're going to need some holding spray. So I just go in and put in some additional layers, just slide cutting it once again, just to get those layers in the front even more like the feathery look. But this hair is amazing. This closure is amazing. It melted with my skin, and it's cheap, you guys. When I say cheap, I don't mean quality. It's affordable, and it's so silky and so beautiful. I love it. Like I said, it's going to be in the description box. Check it out. You guys will not be sorry. I am loving this hair. So still just put in some really light layers in it, only in the front, and you'll love it. This is the finished result. Love it. Curled very well. You may need some holding spray to hold the curls all day, but that can be expected with straight hair. But check out the description box, leave your comments, rate, subscribe for future videos so you don't miss anything. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.